Hello everyone, Shalin Kaushik here. Thank you so much guys for appreciating my first video and encourage me to create more. In today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can manage .bash profile in Mac operating system. And also here I'm going to give you a quick view about what .bash profile is and why this file is important to us. So guys, that's the agenda of my video, and in this video I'm gonna cover all these 4 points with the practical example. Demonstrate you all the 4 points. What is .bash profile? Where it reside in the Mac? In how many ways we can see .bash profile? And how we can create, open and delete .bash profile from Mac. So guys, here I begin. Bash profile is basically a bash startup and configuration file which reads first whenever we open new terminal. This file contains all the legal Unix commands, includes Unix aliases, definitions, Unix export, path statements, and other commands. We can open this command in any editor, but usually we open that in text editor. Uh, for that we use one command which I am going to show you just now. Also, in this file, export keyword is used in terms of selecting the path or setting the path. So what export keyword do? It makes the value available to program whenever we run the program from terminal. So guys, that's the quick information about .bash profile. Now the second one is where it reside. So basically this file reside in your home directory in hidden mode. So dot is used for hidden mode. So to access this file, we have to make it visible. For that, one shortcut keys are used from keypad. So I'll show that one also. So in how many ways we can see that? So guys, there are two ways by which we can see .bash profile uh, in Mac operating system. First one is by going through GUI through finders, and second one is through terminal. Here I'll explain you. So the first one is through GUI. So guys, go click on Finder, and then at the top you'll see Go option. So click on Go, and in the list you'll see Home. So click on Home, and then one home directory window would appear with all the related folders. So here your bash profile is reside in hidden mode. So if you don't, guys, another, if you don't see home option, then you can go at the bottom, and there's one go to folder. Click on go to folder, and then write this path users and your home directory name, and then click on go. So again the same window would appear. So here guys, it's in hidden mode. So how we can make it visible? So guys, there are three keys which we have to press simultaneously from your keypad. First one is command, shift and dot. So as soon as press, you'll see that hidden files are appear. So in this, there's two files which is related to bash history and bash session, but there is no bash profile. So it means that dot bash profile is not created yet. So I have to create that one in order to see. So when I will create that one, then I'll coming back and we'll see that it appears or not. So that's the one process. Second one is through terminal. So click on Spotlight and search for terminal, and then guys, you have to check the content of your directory along with your hidden files. So for that the command is ls to check the content of directory minus al to check the hidden files. So that's the same folders or the files appear which we just saw earlier in GUI mode. So here again you have bash history and bash session, but you don't have bash profile. So, so guys, these are the two ways by which we can see the .bash profile in Mac. Now the main part is how we can create, open and delete. So to create .bash profile, we use touch command. So I'll clear that one. So now touch, you just need to write that one, dot bash profile, and then click enter. So at this point your .bash profile is created. Now I'm going to show you in both the ways that file is appeared or not. So so at this point I'm in terminal. So again I'm writing ls minus al. Yeah guys, here you can see that .bash profile is appear. It means it's created successfully. Now the second one is through GUI. So again I click on Finder and I click on Go and go to Home, and then guys you'll see that .bash profile is appear in this. So that's how we can create .bash profile. Now guys, the second one is how we can open .bash profile. Sorry, I need to clear that one. So to open that file, you just simply need to write open open .bash profile. Enter. Yeah guys, and now you'll see that one text editor is open. So that's the text editor where we set the path of any executable file, library, programs, or any software. So guys, now I am going to tell you syntax. So where export keyword is used. So the way we writing export keyword is export, and then it's in small, and then variable, like for example Java home, and then here you set the path of your bin or your any software executable file or library. So it contains the path statement. Okay guys, so we can set up all the paths like Java home, Android Studio, your Maven, and any other which you required. So for that I'll make another video in which I'm going to show you how we can set the Java home path. But I wanted to make this video before because uh, now you can understand that where we have to set the path and why .bash profile is used. So that's how we can open that one. So now the last one is guys how we can delete .bash profile. So guys, if you feel that you have mistakenly created .bash profile, then how you can or if your .bash profile is not working properly, then how you can delete that one. So to delete that one, simply you can go to your GUI mode, click on Go, Home, or go to folders and then users or your home directory name, second way, and then here you'll see the .bash profile. So guys, you just need to click on this file, select that file. Either you can move to trash, or you can press the key command plus delete. So I'll right click on it and move to trash, and then again if I press control shift dot, then those hidden files uh, will not appear again. So again if I, and how I can check, so again I come back into the directory, and here I'll see that again .bash profile is not appear. So guys, that's how we can create, open and delete .bash profile. So guys, that's all in this video, and I hope you understand a little bit about what .bash profile is, and it will really help you out in whenever you try to set path in .bash profile. Now you would get familiar whenever you try to set path in .bash profile. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comments are always welcome to improvise my channel. Thank you so much, guys.